Alright, this is a Asus Zenith Extreme motherboard. And I currently have 2 sticks of Dominator DDR4 3000 RAM in there from Corsair. And this is an issue that we've been having with this motherboard. So I actually had one motherboard in here, returned it, exchanged it for a brand new one, updated the BIOS, put everything back together. And we can't get it to go past any more than 32 gigs of RAM. So you have to put these sticks of RAM in this configuration, which we have it right now, this guy right here. And then if you add 2 more, you go to the outside and the outside, and the inside ones are still there. So you go outside, outside. Anytime we go to the outsides on here, we get the 3 memory beep code. Okay. We've got different. I have a whole 128 gig of RAM. I've got 2 more there. That's a pair. That's a pair. And then this is a pair. And if we stick these in, if I stick these inside these slots here, it works. If I add 2 more, I get the 3 memory beep code. So, and I'm going to turn it off and show you guys that right now. So if anybody has a solution for this, I desperately need a solution for this. I'm trying to get the 128, I had 64, but then it flaked out and wouldn't boot with 64, went back down to 32. So I'm trying to figure out why can't we get more than 32 gigs of RAM, and the system is supposed to be able to hold 128. Now, people are going to say you got to have matched pairs of RAM. Well, I bought an 8-pack of matched pair of RAM from Amazon, stuck them all in, had the same problem with the previous motherboard, sent it back, got a whole other set of 8 pair of RAM. Had it was like 2800, then went down to 2666, went to there, so that was, but now this is as far as we can get. For some reason, we can't get past 32 gigs of RAM on this Asus motherboard. So I am going to turn this off right now, shut it down. Give me a moment, please. Let me close this. So right now we're running full power at 57 degrees C, which is good. I actually had to redo the paste on the back of the water block. Before we were running around 65. So I must have applied the Arctic Silver a little bit better this time. So let's turn this off, shut it down. I'm not going to stop the camera because I want you guys to see what happens as I put it in. Alright, shut down anyway, shutting down the apps, and we're shutting down. And I'm going to grab this pair over here, which I know works. Alright, we're off, turning the system off, and you'll have to excuse me while I put the camera over here temporarily and put this RAM in. We're still recording. Alright, so that's doing its thing. I'm going to grab these, I'm going to put this in, I'm going to turn it on, and the DDR4 goes up. So we're going in the first slot. Click that in. Looking good. We'll go in the second slot, and the first slot on the other side, according to the instructions. Unfortunately, you can't go any farther than that. And I'm getting ready to push this in. That snapped in really good. All right. So as you can see, we got 2 more sets in. Right there. Should be able to, whoa, not knock over the monitor. Should be able to turn it on, boot up, 64 gig, no problem. All right, we got lights. Turn it on. And we get the 3 beep code, shuts off. Try to come back on. 3 beep code, gets to the CPU, shuts off. So anytime we do anything with RAM, that's as far as we get. But there's got to be a solution out there for this. If anybody's got a solution, please let me know. Turning it off, taking that other RAM out. It's the only way to get a boot up. So anybody's got a solution, please let me know. I'll be posting information on this on YouTube. I'm going to call Asus tomorrow, of course. There's no tech support on Sunday, so that's it. Thanks, guys. Hopefully we get this sucker up and going.